Money is a fundamental aspect of our lives, influencing our choices, opportunities, and overall life experiences and well-being. Many people struggle with money, facing various obstacles that hinder their financial success. We call these obstacles money blocks. In this video, we'll delve deep into the world of money blocks, exploring how they manifest, what causes them, and how to overcome them to achieve financial abundance. Let's start with some of the more common ways money blocks present themselves. Financial stress and anxiety. Persistent worry about money, including fretting over paying bills and debts or saving for the future, is a clear sign of a money block. Under-earning or sabotaging income growth. You may find yourself consistently earning less than you believe you deserve, or you might self-sabotage opportunities for career advancement and financial growth. Overspending or making poor financial choices. Money blocks can manifest as impulsive spending habits, gambling, accumulating debt, or making poor investment decisions, preventing you from building wealth or actively destroying it. Inability to save or invest. You may struggle to save money or feel paralyzed when it comes to investing, even when you have the means to do so. Lack of action. Procrastination in taking action on business or career opportunities and financial goals can be a manifestation of money blocks. This often stems from fear or self-doubt. Do you have any of these blocks? If so, keep watching to learn what causes these blocks and how to blast through them. Understanding the root causes of money blocks is essential in overcoming them. These blocks often originate from a combination of past experiences, beliefs, genetic wiring, and societal conditioning. Here are some common factors that contribute to the development of money blocks. A traumatic event in your past. Experiencing a significant financial setback or loss in the past can create deep-seated fears and anxieties about money. This trauma can lead to a fear of taking risks or pursuing opportunities. Negative messages about money that you received. Growing up, your childhood experiences and the messages you received from family members, friends, or society can greatly influence your beliefs about money. Negative messages like, "money is the root of all evil," can create strong money blocks. Just for the record, the Bible never says that. The quote in the book of Timothy is, "The love of money is the root of all evil." Big difference. Others may have ingrained your belief system with the idea that being poor is noble or being rich is greedy, or that rich people are liars and cheats. The combination of a traumatic event, the Great Depression, and this programming created an entire generation of those believing in scarcity and having anxiety about money or lack thereof. Those beliefs were instilled in their children and then grandchildren. This cycle repeats unless broken. Feelings of unworthiness or undeservingness. Believing that you don't deserve financial success or that you're not worthy of abundance can be a significant money block. These feelings can stem from low self-esteem or past failures. You will never take the actions necessary or advantage of opportunities if you don't believe you are capable or worthy of them. Fear. Fear is a powerful driver of money blocks. It can manifest as fear of failure, fear of success, or even fear of losing what you already have. You may not start a new business for fear of failure. Your negative energy from fearing that you will lose all you have can actually manifest in losing all you have. I've done this. I don't recommend it. You can even have a fear of success, where you unconsciously fear the responsibilities and changes that come with financial abundance. So you repel it. A poor money mindset fueled by limited thinking and beliefs. Having a fixed mindset about money, believing that there's a finite amount and that others' success means less for you, can limit your financial potential. You may also have negative beliefs about money or rich people. Poverty is not noble. Believing that poverty is virtuous or that suffering is a noble path can hinder your willingness to pursue, attract, and create financial success. Conversely, the rich are not evil. Holding a negative view of wealthy individuals as greedy or immoral can create subconscious barriers to your own financial growth. Yes, there are rich jerks. There are also poor jerks. And there are plenty of kind and generous successful people who built their wealth through hard work and creativity. Your self-talk can also create money blocks. Constantly berating yourself with negative thoughts about money, such as, "I'll never be wealthy," or "I'm bad with money," will create limiting beliefs that will in fact limit you. Not only can your mindset work against you, Your money vibration or emotions about money can also work against you. Vibration or emotions amplify belief. Jealousy or negative emotions toward others. Feeling resentful or envious of others' financial success can block abundance. Wanting versus having. Wanting indicates not having. Send the universe the signal of wanting, and you will not get what you want. You will get more wanting. Having. In mind and emotion first paves the way for having in reality. It is yours already. Choose it by focusing on what Neville Goddard calls the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Hold the feeling of already having what you want as often as you can. Worshipping money or putting money on a pedestal can create distance between you and it. When money is special, you can lean towards a mindset of wanting and not having. You need to normalize the idea of money. Feel as though you already have it, and you're totally fine if it goes away because you'll just attract 10 times the amount. Hoarding money. When you're afraid to lose money, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Again, it becomes too important, and you are applying negative emotions to the idea that you'll never have enough money. Not only can you miss out on opportunities, but your belief, amplified by the fear of losing, can cause you to lose it. The mindset should be that you always have more than you know what to do with. A lack of gratitude for what you have can keep you stuck in a scarcity mindset, making it difficult to attract more abundance into your life. Always be thankful for what you have and what you desire that is yours already, but has not made it to you in this 3D reality. How to remove beliefs that are keeping you stuck. Overcoming money blocks requires introspection, awareness, and a commitment to change. Here are some techniques and strategies to help you remove limiting beliefs and cultivate a positive relationship with money. Self-reflection. Begin by examining your beliefs and attitudes toward money. Identify any negative thought patterns or recurring fears that may be holding you back. Also, catch yourself when you make limiting statements and replace with the affirmations offered later in this video. Journaling. Record your thoughts and emotions related to money. This practice can help you gain clarity and identify patterns of negative thinking. Meditation and mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can also help you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions. Meditation can be a powerful tool for releasing negative beliefs and easing anxiety and a racing mind. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to rewire your subconscious mind. For example, repeat statements like, "I am worthy of financial abundance," or "Money flows easily and effortlessly into my life." Visualization. Visualize your financial goals and success regularly. This can help reprogram your subconscious mind to align with your aspirations. Visualize your success in the first person as if it is yours already. Feel the emotions that come with that having. Gratitude, fulfillment, excitement. Now, here are some affirmations or beliefs to consider adopting. I am worthy of financial abundance and success. Money is a tool that allows me to create a better life for myself and others. I release all negative beliefs and thoughts about money. Financial success is a natural and achievable outcome for me. I attract opportunities for wealth and prosperity into my life. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life. I let go of fear and embrace financial freedom. I am in control of my financial destiny. Money blocks can significantly impact your financial well-being and overall quality of life. However, by identifying and addressing these blocks, you can unlock your full financial potential and create a more abundant future. If you want to learn more about mindset or just improve your life, please subscribe to our channel for daily shorts and weekly videos. I already know you will. And watch this video next to learn about how our beliefs or assumptions create our lives.